In this video, we are going to discuss about relational operators less than and greater than. So, learning less than and greater than relational operators. Usage in C programming. Okay, so first include the standard input output header file, then include the main function, void main we are going to write. So here C program marks we are going to accept, and what is the pass percentage set by the university. Okay, pass mark set by university. Okay, so in this program we are going to check double slash also for comment you can use. So check whether the student mark is less than pass mark or not. Okay, so here C program mark of a student, okay, we'll set it as out of 100. Okay, so the student has scored 78 marks, and the pass mark set by the university, it is 40. Okay, now we are going to check. So in the printf only we can check whether C program mark is less than the pass mark or not. We can check. Okay, whether the student scored less than pass mark. Okay, so true means we'll get 1. Okay, false means we'll get 0. So C program marks less than pass mark set by the university. Okay, we are checking. Okay, so we are checking the student has scored 78 marks, so which is greater than this 40. So when we are checking C program mark less than the pass mark, okay, it is false, so 0 we are printing. So when you execute this less than relational operator, that operator will return either 0 or 1. Okay, so now similar to this, let us check another student mark. C program marks equal to 34, another student scored. Okay, so now we are going to check another student mark greater than pass mark or not. Okay, so 45. Okay, pass mark is same, so printf student score greater than pass mark. Okay, percentage D. Okay, C program mark greater than pass mark. Okay, we are checking it. So the student mark is 45 now. Okay, so for the first student 78, when we check he has scored less than pass mark or not, that is false. Here another student scored 45. When we are checking whether it's greater than the pass mark or not, yes, it is true, so it's printing 1. So when you use less than or greater than, what it will do, it will check for the condition and it will return the boolean value, either true or false. True means it will print 1, false means it will return 0. Okay, so I hope you have learnt about the relational operator less than and greater than. This is less than symbol and this is greater than symbol. Okay, thank you for watching this video.